Hi, this is Gary from Cheetah Transformation, and this is the 5th Smartsheet quick tip on SUMIF and SUMIFS formula. In this tip, I'll be taking you through some different variations of the SUM formula in Smartsheet. We have some dummy product data here, and again for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use sheet summaries. I've populated the categories. I'm just going to put the formulas in live for you, but all these formulas can actually be put into the sheet if you want to. So the first one is just going to do a simple formula called sum equals sum, and what we want to do is highlight total cost range. Unfortunately, you can't, like Excel, just click on the column header because that gives you an error. So what I do is just highlight the first couple of rows, then I just take the number out to highlight the whole column, as you can see, and then just press return. And there's the total number of stock that we currently have of all the products. A variation on that is a SUMIF, and what that's saying is what's the total stock, total cost of stock in the office machines. So what's the total cost of the products in the office machines category? And what you do is just equal SUMIF, and then we want to look at the category, which we want to be office machines, and again just highlight the first couple of rows, take out the numbers to highlight the whole column, and then just put in the office machines, which is the category that we want to look at, and then comma, and then we want to highlight the sum range. And again, we just take out the numbers and press return. And there you go, we have £1.1 million worth of stock in the office machines category. The last variation is obviously SUMIFS, and what SUMIFS does, it looks at more than one criteria at a time. So here we want to look at the total stock cost, which is here, of all brown in the colour column, chairs and chair mats. So it's slightly different to a SUMIF, where the thing you want to sum is at the end. In a SUMIFS, it actually is at the start. So equal SUMIFS, we want to highlight the range, which is this. We're going to take our numbers out to highlight the whole column. And then first criteria is we want to look for brown in colour. So we just, again, take the numbers out to highlight the whole column, and then put brown in inverted commas as its text. And then we want to look for, in the category, we want to look for chairs and chair mats. So again, I'm going to take the numbers out, just to highlight the whole column, and then inverted commas as its chairs and chair mats as its text. And close inverted commas and press return. And there you have it. We have £58,000 worth of brown chairs and chair mats in this product file. So there you have it. SUM, SUMIF and SUMIFS variants of formulas within Smartsheets. Thanks for watching, and for further details on our free and paid Smartsheet training courses, please visit the training and events section on our website at www.cheetahtransformation.co.uk. Alternatively, contact us directly on help@cheetahtransformation.co.uk to arrange a call to discuss your requirements further.